So today I'm going to show you how to change country or region on your TikTok account. So what you need to do is you open your TikTok. Always open your TikTok. Sorry guys. Now let's go to your TikTok. Now the next step you need to do is let's wait for it a little. Now the next thing you need to do is click on your profile picture here. Once you click on it, come here, just three line dot, click on it. Now click on your settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is click on your account and click on your account information. And this is it. Currently my region is Nigeria, so you can change your country anywhere here. Just wait for it to load the country and you just choose the country you wanted to change to. Mind you, make sure you change to the country that you are so that you'll be able to see exactly the videos on the country. You can see this is it. Just choose the country, then you'll be able to select. It's very easy and fast. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, drop a comment and subscribe.